Hi, 1 week to go, and we'll be back together again. The plan is for you to do the test when we get back. That'll be during the double in the first week. So, in the meantime, let's spend the next couple of lessons just going through those revision chapters 3.1, 2, and 3. So, today we want to focus on 3.1. So, don't forget, mark attendance, lesson 1. You're watching this forum. So we did go to the lesson revision, week 7. Click on that, and we're doing chapter 1 review questions. I think it's just a case of recognizing that basically what we're trying to do is prepare ourselves for the tests. So most of you have done some of these questions, but make sure you do all the questions between 1 and 11, especially questions like question 10. And what I will do is I'll post a solution at the end of the day. So I'll send them via mail. Then on Wednesday of this week, we'll do 3.2, 3.3. And on Friday, I plan to just get you ready for a prac when we when we get back. 'Cause, the last couple of doubles, week 10 and 11, we'll do some prac work. So check you out on Wednesday for 3.2 and 3.3. Today it's 3.1. Have a good one.